All right, brake job, 2012 to 2017 Toyota Camry. First, we're gonna dismount the caliper, 14 millimeter. I usually start with the low one, the one on the bottom. Then I go to the top. And what I do is I hang it back. I hang it up here on the strut. So I'm going to remove that first, so that you guys can see what I'm doing. All right. So I have the caliper boot out. The caliper out. Kind of inspect it. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like there's a lot of debris on this boot. Can you see it? All right, yeah. Just make sure it's not torn or broken or anything like that. Okay. Trying to get a closer look. It looks like debris to me. Okay. What I usually do is at this point I'm going to depress this. Use what you have. I usually use a C-clamp right here. I put the brake pads in there and then I just C-clamp it. And then after that I hang it up there. At this point, remove the clips. There you can see it. There's two metal clips that hold it. They point basically in the direction of each other. They just go in these little slots. It's for the brake pads. And the pads themselves, they'll come off. Okay. Once you remove the pads, you go to the next nut. It's 17 millimeter to remove the caliper bracket. All right, once the bracket is out, remove the clips. Remember their orientation. You notice the little swing clip right here is facing on the inside. And go ahead, get a wire brush. Brush all these out. Clean it up. So after you've done that, go ahead, remove the slide pins, clean it up, and re-grease it. Okay. Anyways, make sure you put a little bit of grease to the points of contact with the brake. So I use this. And with the pads, I usually set them up. Make sure you have the right orientation, so when you put it back, it's easier. Next part would be removing this disc. And what you want to do is, after you remove it, you want to clean the hub behind it. I'll show you. See that? You want to remove that so that it sits flush. I use this. Okay. Anyways, so after polishing it up, it should look a little better. Get the new rotor. Make sure you clean it. Use brake cleaner. Then reassemble it. If you're using slotted, make sure the orientation's right. The farthest part should be facing this way, the rear of the car. Okay. All right, once you snug in the 17 millimeter bolts, you want to torque it to 89 foot-pounds. So what I meant was torque them down to 79 foot-pounds. All right, pad reinstallation. The same way you took it out. When you put it back in, there's a warning pin for when the brake wears out. That should go on the bottom on the outside one. The inner one is it should go on the top. Anyways, put it back. Usually it has a force that wants to push it out, so I usually use a clamp. Then go ahead, grease the points of the brake contact, and reinstall the caliper. Torque the 14 millimeter bolts down to 25 foot-pounds. Okay, and then you should be it.